Do robot pool cleaners actually work? Well, in this video, we're putting the new Aiper Experts Duo pool cleaners to the ultimate deep pool cleaning test by attempting to clean a pool that had weeks of algae and sediment buildup and was just shocked, making all of that dead algae sink to the bottom in these thick layers of gray dust and debris that usually must be vacuumed from the pool floor to get clean. But we're gonna do something crazy and see how the Scuba V3 and Ecosurfer S2 from our sponsor Aiper can handle this impossible deep clean. Now, these two robots work together to deliver complete 360-degree top to bottom coverage. Working as a pair is far more efficient than relying on a single fully equipped robot to handle everything on its own. Now, I chose the pool floor cleaning option first, but the Scuba V3 can also clean the walls and the waterline, which I'll show you in just a minute. But check out just how much of this dead algae it cleaned up on the very first pass, clearly showing the before and after stripe. Now, the cool thing is that the V3 actually has their Vision Path AI, which combines AI vision and DTOF sensors to plan efficient cleaning routes and target visible debris first for up to 10 times faster and smarter cleaning by adjusting its cleaning route. And yes, all visual data is processed on device with zero image storage and zero image uploading. Now, you guys can see this cleaning in action, and because of just how much dead gray algae there is in this pool, it's starting to sort of cloud up the inside of the pool a bit since there's just so much of it to clean. But just look at how the pool floor is gradually getting cleaner and cleaner, eating up all of this debris, including pebbles and everything else. We even recorded this time lapse to show the bottom of the pool being cleaned, and the beautiful thing is that this was fully automatic and carefree. We just threw it into the pool and it just did its own thing while we relaxed. Now, I decided to check on the filter halfway through, which thankfully Aiper includes a hook attachment in the box, so you just attach it to any universal pool pole to take it out of the water. And it also features waterline retrieval, so when it finishes a cleaning, it automatically parks at the waterline for 10 minutes and you get a user notification through the app to go and get it out. And now look at how much debris it actually cleaned up. Since the Scuba V3 features a 180 micron debris filter combined with an ultra fine 3 micron layer to capture sand, algae, and tiny particles, which you can see all of this gray algae being washed out as we cleaned it. So it's actually extremely impressive that a filtered robot pool cleaner can actually clean all of this up, since usually the only way to do this after a shock treatment is with special vacuum equipment. So then we threw it back in and watched it continue to clean until the entire floor was fully cleaned. Now, the Aiper Experts Duo also consists of the Ecosurfer S2, and all you have to do is turn it on and place it in the water, and it starts essentially swimming around like a little boat and collecting all of the debris on the surface of the water without anything leaking out, since it features Aiper's industry-first Debris Guard leak-proof design, which prevents debris from leaking back into the pool, so it cleans everything on the surface, while the Scuba V3 cleans everything on the inside of the pool for full top to bottom 360-degree pool cleaning coverage. And the best part about the Ecosurfer S2 is that it features Aiper's Solar Seeker solar panel recharging system, so you can just leave it in your pool 24/7 for 7-day hands-free care, and it actually works. We checked the battery life after over 30 minutes of skimming, and it was still at 100%, didn't even go down a notch. So while the Ecosurfer was cleaning the surface, we switched the Scuba V3 to clean the waterline, which you can do using the app or by pressing the power button on the top to cycle between modes, and this was shocking to see. Just look at this layer of yellow and green algae and grime right on the waterline, and look at how the Scuba V3 easily scrubs it away almost like a magic eraser from super dirty and grimy to nice and clean. Just look at this before and after showing the difference. And then finally, we switched the Scuba V3 to clean the walls, which as you can see, it climbs up the wall using suction power and scrubs them all the way up to the top. Then it goes back down drives over a bit and back up a new section of the wall, making sure to get everything nice and clean. And it also has Aiper's AI Navium mode, which automatically creates weekly cleaning plans based on your pool size and cleaning history, enabling hands-free pool cleaning throughout the week. And after less than an hour of skimming, just look at how much cleaner the surface of the water looks. So we went to check up on the Ecosurfer's filter and look at how much debris it collected after such a short period of time. Just imagine letting this thing roam free all day long, or let alone 7 days, thanks to the solar-powered operation. And another cool benefit is that it even comes with a built-in chlorine dispenser, so it'll actively maintain your water as it's skimming. So after only a couple of hours of cleaning, the Aiper Experts Duo claimed victory over this insanely dirty, just shocked pool, fully cleaning the pool floor, the walls, and the water lines, as well as the entire surface, which I honestly didn't expect, since these robots are more meant to automatically maintain an already cleaned pool, being fully carefree and hands-free, instead of having to deal with a very deep cleaning after weeks of debris and algae buildup. So with that said, if you're ready to fully automate your pool cleaning needs, I'll have the links to both the Aiper Scuba V3 and Ecosurfer S2 down in the description below. And Aiper has provided me with an exclusive 5% off discount code, so be sure to use it on your purchase and enjoy every summer wave even more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.